welcome to today's video. And today's video is going to be a surprise unboxing, as I received this package from Nicki a few days ago and I've been so excited to open it, but I've been a bit under the weather. But now I'm feeling better. Let's open it and see what's in the box. Bear with me a second while I open it. If I can even open it. Oh. I can't open it. Sorry about this, guys. There we go. Right, are you ready to see what I've got? Because I'm super excited. Oh, it's still not open. That should be it. Oh, there we go. Get the orange paper. Right. Start with the bigger one first. Are you ready to see? I can see these are really well wrapped. Oh my god, I am so super excited to see what's in this. Wow! Oh my god, guys. Look at this! Oh, African Queen. And even a little key. How cute is that? But let's go. Sorry about the banging, guys. I hope he's doing something in the next room. Here we go. Look. This. She makes these out of envelopes and papers, everything, guys. Nicki is so talented. Maybe one day I'll ask her to show me how she does it. Look. Seriously, I don't even think my camera's doing this justice. I love this button detail. And all these little maps. And look, even little tags to put things on. Little bits of paper. And wee pockets. And she makes these all herself, guys. And more paper to write on. And these papers here are what she did using tea bags. So I think it's called tea dyed paper. But anyways, can't wait to use them. And here, some more little tags in little handmade pockets, which are so cute. And mermaid card. Mermaid kisses, starfish wishes. And oh, a little bit fell off. Stick it back there. And there, oh, beautiful animal. Look with this lovely lace from more tags. Cool idea. And there's the back of it, which is super stunning, Nicki. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much again. Right, I'll put that one off there. Right, the next one, guys, is a total surprise. I knew a little bit about the other one, but it was more than my expectations because it was stunning. But this one, she told me, was a total surprise. I don't know what this one looks like or what it is or anything, but let's find out together, shall we? We'll just move this box. This is it. Right. As you can see, that's well wrapped. Let's see. Yeah, look at it. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so cute. And look, the lace just wraps around. But let's open it. But I've got a feeling it's just going to be as stunning as the last one. Let's see, guys. Oh my god. Look. And these, I think she makes them out of envelopes, which you'd never think to do. And everything. But wow. Even look, little paper sticks. Oh my god. This book clean run down leaves. Copy of it. Alright, that's cool. A little paper all stuck together, which is an awesome idea. Keen to recycle. And look, more envelopes which she's cut and did everything together. Honest to God, Nicki, your talents are amazing. So nothing you can't do, woman. And look, there's another page with wee little crystals and things which, oh my god. And she knows my taste so well. She, honestly, I could not love these anymore. And look, there's a little clip here. Some one paper. And another page with tickets and more paper and some more envelope kind of paper. Oh, that one, look, a wee postcard. That's cute. And more envelope paper. And a little tag. And at the back, guys, there's a back. Oh my god. I absolutely love it, Nicki, and I cannot thank you enough. Seriously. Oh, I could cry, but I'm on camera. But thank you so much. So let me wrap this back up. Oh. Oh. There you go, guys. Look how amazingly beautiful these are. I honestly wasn't expecting these. And thank you again, Nicki. You've really outdone yourself. These are phenomenally stunning. I'll just put them on the camera. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. And I hope to see you in my next. And Nicki, I just give you a great big hug and thank you so much again.